My name is Melina East. I'm an account manager here at imageOne, and today I'm going to go over a list of products and offerings that we provide for all of our customers. We partner with 4 leading hardware manufacturers. We are premier partners with HP and carry their full lineup. We carry everything from desktop printers to desktop multifunctional devices, their A3 copier lineup, along with wide format and plotters. We are also certified for full service and OEM consumables. We also partner with Lexmark. Lexmark specializes in the A4 desktop and floor standing units. Xerox is another manufacturer we partner with. They fill our need for light to heavy production devices. We also carry the Konica Minolta A3 copier lineup to make sure that we have a variety of offerings for our customers. In addition to the hardware suppliers, we also work with a variety of software solutions. PaperCut helps control and reduce print within environments. Some of their benefits include badge release, security, and then also reporting. Laserfiche is a document management solution. It helps create workflows to optimize productivity and efficiencies within your processes. We here at imageOne also use Laserfiche to ensure that we're delivering great results for our customers. Security is top of mind. That's why we offer HP Security Manager. HP Security Manager is a simple, policy-based print security solution. And then there's Printer Logic. Printer Logic is an administration tool used to deploy and install devices within a fleet. It saves both time and energy for both administrators and end users. That's a list of some of our products and offerings that we offer to our customers that give us the opportunity to provide them with extraordinary experiences.